Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxyluxe unboxing for June. I don't know why I always forget what month it is. So today is the 14th of June. I got this yesterday and I'm super excited to open it. I'm hopefully gonna have this up for you guys on Monday. So it's too big for me to like hold up and like pick products out, so I'm just putting it on the floor in front of me and we'll just go through it together. So we got this card. The theme for this month is Boxy Getaway. So I have all the products on the back and I will read the descriptions of them, tell you the price, do all that jazz. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here is this one here. This is from Living Proof and this is the Full Dry Volume Blast Instant Long Lasting Volume and Texture Spray. I don't know. I don't know how to do anything with hair. Okay, as you can see, I took a shower, I put it up in a bun. I'll like let it down later and that's how I do my hair. But this says, make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, it's silicone free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. It is $29. So I'm looking on the back here and I guess it just gives you volume. Tousle hair with fingers. Take a section 10 inches away. 10 inches? I don't know what inches are. I've never tried a Living Proof product because I don't know how to do anything with hair, but I'm excited to try this. It's a huge, obviously full-size product, and you know what? It's summer. I'm gonna put some volume in my hair this summer, so why not? Okay, I'm just gonna take out this cushion for the box and we'll get into it. The next product I see is from Trestique. This is the Good Vibes Mascara. Now, I did see spoilers about this because I was like really confused. I see spoilers for every box, so it's not like a surprise that I'm getting these things. I just don't know what variation. So this, let me pull this off here. This is a mascara. But what's interesting about this mascara is it has an eyelash curler. So you flip down and then you curl with this little thing, but it's a small eyelash curler. And I think then the mascara is inside, which it is. And this looks like a pretty nice wand. It looks like a pretty nice wand. I'm not used to the bristly wands. They're not my favorite. This part of it is kind of really big. This is just like a big mascara in general. Like it's quite large. Let's see what this thing says about it. It is, treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you your everything you need to take your lashes up to the next level. It's the first of its kind. This retails for $25. I don't know how I feel about this. I've never tried a product from Trestique before, but this just feels gimmicky to me. And I don't curl my lashes because I'm blessed and I don't need to curl them, so I don't know how much I'll be using the curler, but it's small. You know what? I don't know. I'm interested though. I'm interested. And that's what this is about. That's what this box is about. I'm interested. $25 for that. So next product in the box comes in this bag. This is from PYT and it says see a spoiler, so I know this is a mini, oh god, I can't pull this out. What is this called? Blow dryer. I got this really cool purple color. I'm gonna just take it out of this really quickly. So our last Boxyluxe, we got a hair straightener from PYT as well, and I haven't used it. I have been trying not to use heat on my hair because I don't know how to do anything with my hair, first of all, and also I just don't have time. But I've always been interested in blow dryers, but they are like too big for me to use. But this one is small and compact, and it comes with this extension, which is for straight and shiny hair, and then it comes with this extension, which I'm excited for, which is the diffuser. And I feel like this is the one that I will use the most because I like having the waves in my hair that I naturally have. So I'm kind of actually really excited to use this, and I didn't think I was going to be when I saw this spoiler. This says, your new PYT Mini Turbo on-the-go dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will be only an arm's length away. This retails for $85. I know PYT is an expensive brand because I think that the straightener was about $70. So I'm excited to try it. I would never go out and buy myself a blow dryer, So it's really cool. I love this little silk bag it comes in. Very nice. So that is awesome. Actually very excited for that product. Maybe I'll actually dry my hair for one of these videos. Alright, now I'm into the bottom layer, which has the most stuff. So let's just get into that. I'm gonna pull out, I guess, the one I see the first, which is from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Volume 3 palette. Now I have the first one. It came in a FabFitFun box, actually my first FabFitFun box ever, and I loved that. I loved the formula of everything. The highlighters were amazing, so I'm excited to see this one. Oh, already dropped something. Okay, so this I believe is magnetic. Yeah, perfect. So this is the palette here. We have two blushes that look quite similar. Nothing here has a name on it, which I think is interesting, but we have a bronzer here that's matte, and then a shimmery, more cool tone bronzer here, and I think these are the two highlighters. I'm interested. This one is just a little bit more cool toned than this one, but they look very similar, so I find that to be interesting. Like I said, I usually love their highlighters, so I'm very excited for that, and I'm excited that I got this one, because like I said, I don't have it. I guess I will see how it goes. I'm afraid the bronzer is going to be too warm for me here. I feel like it's going to look very orange on me. But, you know, we're here to try it. Let me read you the thing. It says, meet your everyday staple. This 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3, formulated with Amazonian clay, delivers streak and fade-free, flawless wear. Whew, that's an alliteration if I've ever heard one. Tap into blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look. This retails for $45. I usually like Tarte products. Like, I love Tarte. It's one of my favorite brands. So I'm excited to try this. And, you know, even though I'm not really into pink blushes, I will try anything. Especially because, like always, I do a review on every product in this box. So I will be testing this out to give you guys a good review. Just in case you don't buy BoxyCharm or Boxyluxe, you know how I feel about the products, in case you're like interested in a product. Alright, the next one is from Dr. Brandt. This is a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. Isn't chlorophyll in the plants? This is for all skin types, and it's just a cleanser. I'm going to read what it says on here. Powered by Biotic Balancing Complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. There's this typo here. It's A-N-S instead of and, whatever. Let the plants do the dirty work. This retails for $35. Now, I just did my BoxyCharm product review where I was using my Glam Glow cleanser, and I love that one so freaking much. And I'm actually using one by BioClarity right now, which I really like. It does strip my skin, but I feel like my skin has never looked better than it does right now, so I deal with it. But I guess I will insert this into the skincare routine and see how it works. I like Dr. Brandt products. I don't usually use them because they aren't typically very hydrating. I usually pass them off to a friend of mine who has oily skin and does not take care of his skin. But I will try that on my own since it's hydrating, and I don't know what prebiotics are, but I will learn. Okay, so I have 4 more products left in this box. So I'm going to pull this one out first. This is from Skin & Co. This is an Aqua Illuminate Viso Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Radiant Dew. Let me see the mister on this. Oh! Let's just do it. Oh! Okay. Oh! Oh god, that attacked me. Do I like that smell? I'm gonna do one more spray. Oh, okay. Mister is not that great on this, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It also smells like outdoors. Like, it smells like if you're camping in a camper and you walk outside of the camper after a long night of sleep and you get like rushed with nature. My face smells like nature now. I don't know if I feel like I guess it is a little more dewy. I don't know if that's my highlight or not. But okay, let me read about this. This is a long one, so get ready. This retails for $35, right? It says, Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice, enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascene, I don't know what that word is, rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complex while rebalancing the skin's pH levels, tightening pores, and setting makeup. That is That is some bold claims for this. It actually hasn't even dried down yet. I'm like tapping it into the skin because I have to go to work soon. Did this one have a pH balance thing? No, this is biotic complex. We've got a lot of pH balance or biotic complex things. This has claims, man. It looks milky in here. It doesn't look like it has any like shimmers or like illuminating particles to it. It just looks like a mist. And I don't know what any of these products that they say are in here are, but it's supposed to be magical. I guess the rosemary is what makes it smell like outside and like food almost to me. But I will continue to try it. I definitely did smell the peppermint now that I'm thinking of it, and the rose, but I actually am running out of my setting spray, so this came at a great time. Maybe I'll like it. I guess we'll see. It's interesting, and I wasn't expecting it in the box, so that is really cool. Okay, 3 products left. This one is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Lemonade Lip Gloss, and I got the shade Peach Tea. I've always been interested in YouTuber brands, but I just haven't, like, I don't know, I just haven't dove in. Like, I've never watched Christian Dominique do anything, so I guess I didn't feel the loyalty to do it, but I've always been interested, and this is a gorgeous color. I would definitely wear this all the time. This is so pretty. Let me see what it smells like. The packaging is also really cool and interesting. I actually really like it. Let me see. What does this smell like? This smells like frosting. Really, really heavily scented like frosting. There is a lipstick that does this, and it's not one of my favorites. Oh, it's the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte Lipsticks. I prefer a lipstick that isn't so heavily scented, and this is a lip gloss. So that's interesting. That's cool. I will try it. I hope it doesn't bother me. I feel like I'm gonna get a headache now from smelling that. It was so intense. So intense. I'm gonna read what it says here. It says, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm-like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. This sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. I would put it on now, and I thought I was going to actually, but after smelling that, I don't think I'm going to, because I already feel like a headache coming on right here, and I don't want to like bother myself anymore. That retailed for $17. I don't know if I said that, but that is cool. I love glosses, and the summer is just the perfect time for like dewy skin and a nice glossy lip and like minimal makeup or like neon summer is a great time, even though it doesn't feel like summer. Thank you, climate change, I guess. All right, 2 more products in the box. This one I'm the most excited for, I guess. This is from the brand called Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. We got the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleanser, and it is one of my, wow, I can't open this box for the life of me. Oh. We got the Pharmacy Green Tea Cleanser, and I really, really like it. It's like a balm, and this looks so luxe. I don't typically buy, like, I don't know why I smelled it when it just said it was scent free. I don't know why, but expensive skincare or like in glass bottles, they do something for me. And I love serums so much. Again, I've been using BioClarity, and I feel like it's done a lot for my skin, but it does dry out my skin, so I feel like I'll have to do that for like a month, get off of it, and go back on it. So this is exciting. Let me read the cue card. It says, this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA-BHA gentle flower acids blend, you'll get a youthful look, smooth complexion, as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. You know what? I've been noticing that I'm getting, my pores are pretty prominent right around here, and because I smile, like when I smile, my eyes like do this, so I'm getting kind of wrinkles over here, and my smile lines are getting a little crazy. So I'm actually excited for this, because not that I'm 23, like I shouldn't have wrinkles, but I feel like you start skincare when you don't need it, so when you do need it, it's not as bad. You know, like that kind of thing. That's just my 2 cents, and that retails for $58. So that in itself is the price of this box, which I didn't say before, but this box is $50 every 4 months. 3 months. Every 3 months. 4 times a year. Okay, last product in the box, sorry, this video is always going to be long because it's a lot of products, is from Touch in Sol. This is the No Problem Prime Essence. Now, we did just get the No Problem Poreblum. I can never say that word. Now we did just get the No Poreblum primer in a box a few months ago, and I like that, but I haven't been able to use it because my skin has been so dry. It's not summer. Usually summer my skin kind of like becomes more normal, but it's been this weird, not necessarily summer thing. So my skin's been really dry. I haven't been able to use it, but the one time I did, I noticed my pores were really filled. This is an essence, and like, I don't know if you can hear that. It's like watery. I feel like I'll be doing this for a while. It's watery, primer essence infused with calendula. Oh god. These names! Tightens up the pores and keeps the silky skin and smooth for better long-lasting makeup. At the last step of your skincare, apply a moderate amount and gently pat over skin until fully absorbed. So I guess you use this in like before the primer. So I guess I would use this after my moisturizer, before my primer, which might actually make it work because then I still get the hydration from my primer and my moisturizer with the pore filling properties. I'm just going to read what it has here on the card. It says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Sol No Poreblum Prime Essence infused with that something flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. I can't read. I don't know if any of you guys felt this, but when I was in middle school and they'd have to like read paragraphs from a history book, I would count ahead to what paragraph I would have to read, and I would read it over and over and over because I just get so anxious if I didn't know how to pronounce a word or if I stumbled over my words that I just could not do it. So I feel a little triggered when I do these because I feel like I'm back in like 5th grade and I'm reading a history thing I don't know about. But that retails for $23, and that is everything I got in this Boxyluxe. Let me just total it up and I'll come back with the price. Okay, this is crazy. So the total for this month's box is $352. I paid $50 for all this stuff, and you know, I don't know if it's because this month I'm still going through stuff. I'm still growing, I'm still learning, I'm still healing. So I didn't get as excited for this BoxyCharm as I normally do. And I don't know if it was because like I saw the spoilers and I'm like, I'm not gonna like any of this stuff, or if it's because of what's going on in my life. But looking at all the stuff I got now, like I'm so happy. Like I'm so grateful that I can afford this box. I'm so happy that I got it. I'm so excited to test things out for you guys, for myself. I'm just excited, and it's been a while since I felt this way. And you know, subscription boxes is always like a present to myself that I don't know what I'm getting, and so I feel really happy right now. And it may seem stupid to be happy over a subscription box, but after being sad for so long, like little things like this just make me happy, and like filming is just, it makes me happy, and you know, everything. So that completes this video. I hope you liked to watch it. If you got BoxyCharm or Boxyluxe and you got different products, please tell me about it. I know there was a highlighter in the original BoxyCharm that I really was interested in, and I'm a little wish that I got that too, but I will have to just check it out on my own. So yeah guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.